Hello guys, welcome back to the vegetable garden. It's mid-October, end of October, and things are sort of lying down and it's the end of everything. That's kind of nice. It means there are other things to do in the garden than all the harvesting. That's a lot of work. But we still have a few things to harvest and enjoy in the garden. And I think actually this is one of the reasons why I enjoy permaculture so much, is that you can grow things you can never buy in the shops. And this, for instance, is dead man's fingers. And you can see they're sort of purple and soft and strange fruits, but they're actually quite delicious. And right now they are ripe, so I wanted to show you how they look inside and how you go about eating them. See, you can open the pods like this, and it maybe doesn't look too delicious, but I promise that actually it has a nice taste. You see, the fruit flesh is what's surrounding these black seeds inside, and you just put it in your mouth and suck the sweet flesh off the seeds and spit out the seeds afterwards. And I think it's an interesting fruit. I mean, it's not gonna feed the entire family, but it's nice to have as a sort of a snack, a cold snack when you work in the garden. And it's a really good story to tell kids and dare them to eat dead man's fingers. So I'm gonna do just that, wave goodbye and eat my dead man's finger. So see you later. Thanks for watching.